Hey guys, what up YouTube? I'm here with another unboxing video. Last time we did a Doodle Pixel 7, if I can remember. And this is a keyboard. Beat ups, this is not my keyboard. Open it up. As you can see here, this is right a key. That's real. So flashy. Whee! Oh, dear God, what is this? This is some type of protection. They really are not allowed protection. My cameraman is going to help me. The dubs, if you want to know, the cameraman is actually a female. So it's a camera woman. Just for you guys to know. Because she has helped us out with a lot of videos. So, thanks in the comments. But guys, this is it. Kechuan, K8. Tetyless mechanical keyboard. I heard it's like something like with a keyboard when you press it, it feels like weird or something. So to open it up, guys. Oh, heavy. Oh, I thought it was gonna be the keyboard though. Oh, it's so spacey, like almost like space. Spacey. Oh, again, this is not the keyboard. Eight, so keyboard, so blah blah blah. We don't care. But the first thing you have is like keyboard stuff, like stuff for the keyboard to make it look cool, satisfying. Wait a minute. Memory was installed. It's a what's it called again? I actually forgot what this is called. So actually, I think it's like a cable or something like that. Put in the comments if you write in the comments if you know what this is, because I do not. It comes with, oh, what is this? I actually don't know what this is. Also put in the comments if you know for the name of this, because I do not know what the name of this is. It looks like a kitchen tool. Because it's like a kitchen tool or something. Okay. Keyboard. Oopsie. Ew, it's a no. Oh, that's maybe time. It's like a, it's like a manual. Okay, time to open. Guys, look. This is even. Wow, this is actually cool. Look, ASMR. We're not even good. No. Bum 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 bum. I died. It's pretty cool, if you ask me. Now we're gonna type it. I want to feel how smooth these are. What if I do? Dude, it's like meant for fingers. It's like has your finger like for it. Like it feels real, but like once you put your finger, like it has like you don't in this person. It's weird. Huh, it makes a different sound each time you press it. So, no, press all buttons. Sounds like different, like each one's like special. Like low, like high in the top, and then low in the bottom. Like it's really cool. It's like different, like noises. Oh, let's show this. Like, it has like nice grip. You can put your fingers and then like it'll just like it's like, easy to press. Like, I'll try the space ball. The space ball is real. I feel like this is like really nice. It's really smooth though. I think. I just see the bottom. The bottom's nice. It comes with like, so it has a nice grip on it, and it also and it has like these nice sounds. Kind of weird when you press all of them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later. Peace out.